Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're diving into one of the most surprising and genuinely impressive wearables to come out this year, Xiaomi's new AI Smart Glasses. If you've ever imagined capturing moments hands-free, translating signs instantly while traveling, or using a voice-controlled AI assistant without touching your phone, these glasses might be the first real step into that future. And trust me, what Xiaomi has packed into these tiny frames is something you'll want to hear about, so make sure you stick with me till the end. Now imagine this for a second. You're walking through a busy street, you see something interesting, but instead of pulling out your phone, unlocking it, switching cameras, and then hitting record, all you do is speak a command. The glasses instantly snap a photo or start recording from your own point of view. No hands, no fumbling, and no missed moment. That's exactly the kind of experience Xiaomi is promising here. So let's talk about what's actually inside these glasses. They're powered by Qualcomm's AR-focused chipset, paired with solid onboard processing, 4 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. For something that sits on your face and weighs only around 40 grams, that's a serious amount of hardware. The main highlight is the front-facing 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It's capable of taking sharp photos and recording 2K video at 30 frames per second, and the built-in electronic image stabilization makes the footage smoother than you'd expect from glasses this small. On the audio side, they've built in open-ear stereo speakers along with a multi-microphone array that includes bone conduction mics. What this means in real life is clearer calls, better voice control, and recordings that don't drown in background noise like many early smart glasses attempted and failed at. These glasses also support fast connectivity, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, and can pair seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices. But what really makes these glasses feel futuristic is their real-world capability. You can take photos and videos hands-free using only your voice. You can ask your assistant to identify objects, read text, or translate signs in real time. When you're traveling or commuting, this is a huge quality-of-life upgrade. Want to translate a restaurant menu? Just look at it. Want to identify a landmark? Speak a command. The glasses do the rest. Another interesting aspect is their smart home integration. If you've got Xiaomi devices at home, the glasses can act as a new interface for controlling them. You can check notifications, manage devices, or access ecosystem features in a way that doesn't require reaching for your phone at all. And the best part? These glasses don't look like bulky tech prototypes. They look close enough to regular sunglasses that you won't feel awkward wearing them in day-to-day situations. Now, everything sounds great so far, but let's slow down and talk about the limitations too. These glasses aren't meant to replace a full camera setup. While the 2K video and 12-megapixel photos look good for wearable tech, they're not going to compete with a flagship smartphone or a dedicated camera. The quality is solid, functional, and perfect for POV lifestyle or travel footage, but don't expect cinematic results. Another thing to keep in mind is that some advanced features depend on your region. Certain AI functions or integrations may roll out gradually depending on software updates and local support. And of course, battery life can vary depending on how heavily you use features like constant voice commands, translation, or video recording. But even with those limitations, there are some major reasons why these glasses matter. First, they're a game changer for content creators. If you make POV videos, travel vlogs, lifestyle content, or just enjoy capturing moments without holding a device, these glasses give you an entirely new angle, literally. They're perfect for creators who need freedom of movement or want a more natural, first-person perspective in their videos. Second, they're a productivity upgrade for everyday users. Commuters, travelers, students, and professionals can all benefit from hands-free access to information. Imagine needing quick translations, object recognition, or snapshots without interrupting what you're doing. It removes friction and adds convenience in everyday life. Third, the style factor matters. The fact these glasses don't scream tech gadget is a major win. Wearables must blend into daily life, and Xiaomi clearly understands that. You get futuristic functionality in something that looks familiar and comfortable. Before deciding whether these glasses are for you, ask yourself a few things. Do you often record first-person content? Do you travel frequently or need translation on the go? Do you want a wearable assistant that works quietly in the background without pulling out your phone every few minutes? And finally, are you okay with being an early adopter of a new product category that will definitely evolve quickly? If your answer to most of these questions is yes, then Xiaomi's AI Smart Glasses might actually be a perfect fit. They offer a surprisingly strong mix of camera capability, AI features, convenience, and everyday usability. If you're someone who loves being ahead of the curve and wants to experience what the future of personal tech looks like right now, these glasses deliver exactly that. If you expect flawless international support, longer battery life, or top-tier recording quality, then you might want to wait for the next generation. But considering the price and what these glasses already achieve, Xiaomi has set a new standard for what smart eyewear can realistically be in 2025. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into Xiaomi's new smart glasses. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Vibe, and let me know in the comments, would you wear smart glasses every day, or do you think they're still too early in development? And if you want a real-world test video where I put these glasses through travel, walking, and daily life scenarios, just say the word. Stay curious, stay tech smart, and I'll see you in the next one.